Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your boot order in your BIOS settings on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So I'd recommend following along with this video before going out and trying it yourself. So with that said, I'm going to start by opening up the start menu and I'm going to left click on the power icon and then I'm going to left click on restart. So you could also access the BIOS while your computer is turning on. You don't have to restart your computer, but just want to give you guys an idea. So as your computer is restarting, you're going to be looking to tap a different key on your keyboard. Most keys to enter the BIOS are going to be either the delete key or the F2 key. So I would recommend going on your computer manufacturer's website, looking up your product information and seeing what key to press, or you can just do it by trial and error a couple times as well. So just keep that in mind. It might be a little bit different for you guys, but again, try the delete or F2 key. So repeatedly tap those keys while your computer is restarting. Only do one at a time. So tap the delete key repeatedly, and then if your computer boots in normally, then do it again, except do the F2 key. And you can also try the escape key as well. But you should get to a screen that says boot menu. I'd recommend using your arrow keys on your keyboard until you highlight over the enter setup. So once you scroll down using your up and down arrows, you want to have the enter setup highlighted. You want to hit enter on your keyboard. So now that we're in the BIOS setup utility, you want to go using your left or right mouse arrow keys. You want to go over and select the boot tab. So get over to the boot tab by using your right arrow key. Now using your up and down keys, you want to navigate over these boot options in here. And you can see there's a key listed at the bottom of this page as well. So to actually select and change the value, in my case, I'm going to use the plus and minus key. So let's say I want to boot from the CD-ROM drive as my first primary boot device. I'm going to highlight over by getting over to it by using my arrow keys. And then I'm going to use my plus key on my keyboard to move it up the list. And then you can see just by using my up and down arrow keys, I can move around. And by using my plus and minus keys, I can change the boot order. Once you have it how you want it to be set up, you want to tap the F10 key or whatever key is listed at the bottom of the screen. In my case, it says F10 to save and exit. So I'm going to tap F10, save configuration changes and exit now. I'm going to hit the enter key while I've selected over yes. Again, there should be a key listed underneath the screen as well, so it should be a pretty straightforward process. And that's about it, guys. So if you wanted to boot off a CD or DVD, you should be able to at this time as well. Again, depending on what you're changing for the boot order. But I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.